Some homemade remedies made with easy-to-find natural plants are excellent, economical choices to treat arthritis. They are usually able to decrease inflammation in the joint and helping relieve pain. Therefore, these homemade remedies should never be used as a substitute for the treatment prescribed by a doctor. They only help to alleviate the pain or prevent it from recurring. 1. Homemade rosemary remedy. Rosemary works to restore the joint, which is what makes it a great addition to anti-inflammatory medications. It also helps reduce the symptoms of rheumatism. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of fresh or dried rosemary leaves, 250 milliliters of boiling water. Instructions: add the rosemary leaves to a cup of boiling water and let it steep for 10 minutes. Then strain and drink the tea while it's still warm. Repeat 2 to 4 times a day. 2. Homemade remedy with willow and meadowsweet or meadowwort. Willow and meadowsweet tea has strong anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties. It helps relieve the pain due to various joint problems such as arthritis or gout. In addition to that, since the meadowsweet helps to slightly lower body temperature, the effect of the tea can be felt for a longer period of time. Ingredients: 1 glass of water, 1 tablespoon of willow bark, 1 tablespoon of meadowsweet. Instructions: put all the ingredients in a pan and boil for approximately 5 minutes. Place a lid on the pan, let it cool. When it's cooled enough, strain it and then drink it. It's recommended to drink 1 cup in the morning and another in the evening. Not only can you use these home remedies daily, but you can even massage the affected joint using almond oil. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.